After getting glimpses of history and culture of Varanasi, later in the afternoon it is time to come to one of the local silk factories. Here we can see up close the traditional methods of weaving silk fabrics. We admire the skills of the laborers and the beauty and quality of finished product. Apparently, one worker only ever learns a single pattern that he will be weaving his entire life. After the demonstration, the time comes for another type of demonstration. In front of our eyes, tens of silk fabrics and products are spread, obviously with a view of selling. Finally, Bożena lives her dream. The salesman quickly realizes who he is dealing with, and Bożena becomes the center of attention and of the entire show. The shop owner must be sensing the upcoming deal, as he seems to be very proud of himself. However, we cannot decide which one of the two tablecloths to buy, so we end up taking both of them. There is only a small problem of negotiating the right price, and we can proceed to pay for the goods.